I do watch the World Cup when I have free time, yes.
My favorite team, I have to confess, Peru and Spain. Because I was born in Peru, I grew up in Spain, I have family both, I support both well enough.
My favorite football player is Ronaldo.
I have the best football memory. It was yesterday when Russia won Egypt. It was 3-1 and it was amazing.
The World Cup is an important and amazing event. It's the only event that I know that connects every single person at the same time with the same thing.
The World Cup is an important event as they bring people together, and in these kind of moments everybody's watching every single country who is playing. So
World Cup it's very important because then you can see who is the best in the world.
I think that this is important, first of all, in economic, and more than football brings people together, doesn't matter religion, nationality.